Jen is the VP of Risk at a company manufacturing plastic juice containers, and she is not satisfied with how much money it takes to maintain their current subscription to a regulatory list of lists. Her main role is to protect the company from manufacturing liabilities by guaranteeing that all of the material regulatory requirements and laws are met. Jen heard from the company's team of scientists that they needed an updated database with regards to the chemical regulatory requirements of their production inventory. She found the perfect solution from ERA called SDS On Demand. This automated tool included a built-in chemical regulatory database that was maintained by ERA's team of chemists. Jen saved thousands of dollars every year simply by not having to pay for a third-party list of lists anymore. Thank you for watching this scenario video. If you want an affordable chemical regulatory solution that helps you automatically create accurate SDSs and GHS labels without the daunting price tag or tedious hours of manual research, click on the link in the description to learn more. Have a great day.